Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to the pre-market report. Today is 9th October 2024. The market snapped its sixth day of losing continuously and Nifty yesterday closed above 25,000. Sensex closed above 81,000. Bank Nifty closed above 51,000 and Fin Nifty was about 1% up. The Nifty corrected about 5.6 percentage from the all-time high. We saw the correction about now. It's happening for 1 week till yesterday. Always 5 percentage to 10 percentage correction is good for the market. Market cannot go straight to one side, no. So if the market goes like that, when the fall also comes, we will not be able to bear the fall. So it's good for the market every now and then a little bit correction comes. So it is also a chance for the traders to take the new positions as well as the investors to invest in various stocks when there is fall. And after the election result from Haryana and Jammu and Kashmir, the VIX also came down and closed around 14.58. Only on yesterday, the Sensex rose more than 585 points. The BSE listed company's capital surged 7.5 lakhs and reached 459.5 lakh crores just in a single day. Yesterday's rise in Indian market, we can say purely the BJP win from the Haryana. The result in Haryana proved the political stability in India. So that is also boosting the confidence of the market. Consolidation is likely to be seen in the upcoming section until the Nifty gives a strong closing above 25,500 with key support at 24,700 and 24,750. If the Nifty can sustain above 25,000, the immediate resistance will be at 25,200 followed by 25,300. Today is one of the important day. The RBI is going to release the decision with regard to the interest rate cut. And if the interest rate is not going to cut, this will be the 10th consecutive section. The RBI meeting is not cutting the rate. Today, the PUC sectors and Adani group will be on focus. Yesterday, due to the winning in Haryana, the PSU stock index rose about 2%. Most of the Adani stocks reached 7% up in a single day. Yesterday also the FIIs were net sellers and they sold for around 5,729,000 crores while the DIs supported the market with buying of 7,000 crores. Only in October month, the FIIs sold for about 44,742 crores in cash market, while the DIS brought more than what FIIs are sold. DIS brought for about 46,674. So totally we can say that net buying of more than about 2,100 crores. Now let's check about the global markets. Dow Jones future is down by 0.12 percentage. S&P 500 is up by 0.97 percentage. Nasdaq is up by 1.45 percentage. European markets, FTSE is down by 1.38 percentage. CSE is down by 0.73 percentage and DAX is down by 0.20 percentage. GIFT Nifty now indicating about flat to positive opening for today. Commodities. Brent crude now trading is up by 0.40 percentage. Gold is down by 0.78 percentage. Crude oil is up by 0.4 percentage. And on Monday, 14th of October, the Reliance Industries quarter 2 result is going to release. Today, by RBI monetary policy, the local important events are going to finish. The quarter 2 result are going to be continued. So that also will affect the market. So there will be definitely volatility in the market too. Now let's check about the ADR stocks. Axis Bank ADR is up by 1.48 percentage. Dr. Reddy's ADR is up by 1.39 percentage. HDFC Bank ADR is up by 1.35 percentage. ICICI Bank ADR is up by 1.87 percentage. Infosys ADR is up by 1.62 percentage. And Wipro ADR is down by 0.31 percentage. Global events for today. By 11:30 a.m., a balance of trade for the month of August is going to release from Germany. Tonight, 11:30 p.m., FOMC meeting is going to happen in the USA. The Nifty 50 formed a inside bar pattern on the daily charts and managed to sustain above the upward sloping support trend line with above average volumes. The momentum indicator RSI and MACD showed a positive crossover on the hourly chart, which is a positive sign. However, the 10-day EMA follow below the 20-day EMA and the index still trading below the 50-day EMA. Now let's check about the open interest. Today is the expiry of Bank Nifty. The spot is at 51,075. PCR now stands at 0.67. According to the weekly options data, the 52,000 strike holds the maximum open interest towards the call side. This level can act as the key resistance level for the index for the short term. It was followed by 51,500 and 51,000 strikes. Maximum call writing was seen at 51,000, followed by 51,100 and 51,200, while the maximum call writing was seen at 50,000, followed by 50,400. On the put side, the maximum open interest was seen at 50,000, which can act as the key support level for the Bank Nifty for the short term. It was followed by 51,500 and 50,500. The maximum put writing was visible at 51,000, followed by 50,000 and 50,500 strikes, while put unwinding was seen at 52,000, followed by 51,500 and 51,900 strikes. Now let's check about the open interest of Nifty. The spot is at 25,039. PCR stands at 0.55. According to the weekly options data, the maximum open interest towards call side can be seen at 26,000 and which can act as the immediate resistance level for the index for the short term. It was followed by 25,500 and 25,000. The maximum call writing was seen at 25,000, followed by 25,100 and 25,200 strikes. The maximum call unwinding was seen at 25,800, followed by 26,000 and 24,800 strikes. On the put side, the maximum open interest was seen at 24,000, which can act as the key support level for the index for the short term. It was followed by 25,000 and 24,500 strikes. The maximum put writing was placed at 25,000, followed by 24,000 and 24,200 strikes, while put unwinding was seen at 25,700, followed by 26,000 and 25,500. Stocking news. Torrent Power Company has received a new order from Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Company for the long-term supply of 2000 megawatts energy storage capacity. Infosys company announced a collaboration with Nasdaq-listed National Bank for strategic expansion. IRB Infrastructure Developers company reported a collective total revenue growth of 19.2% year-on-year in September. Indian Railway Finance Corporation, the board has approved financing up to rupees 700 crores for NTPC. Namo E-Waste Management, the company has acquired 2 acres of land in the electronic manufacturing cluster in Rangar Reddy district, Telangana. Timken India, the company has received an order from the income tax department demanding rupees 25 crores for the assessment year 2021 to 2024. SKF India, the board has given its in principle approval to segregate its automotive and industrial business through a scheme of arrangement. JSW Infrastructure, Arun Maheshwari has stepped down from his role as Joint Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the company effective from November 7, 2024. Edelweiss Financials company announces rupees 200 crores non-convertible debentures with up to 11% annual yield.